Write the IUPAC names of the following. 1. Write the IUPAC names of the following. Fifth one. So write the IUPAC names of the following. Tell me. Here carboxylic group is attached to the cyclohexane ring or cyclic ring. Tell me, if the carboxylic group is directly attached to the cyclic ring, its name is carboxylic acid. Then what is the name of this compound? Here you should take, this is a cyclohexane. So cyclohexanoic acid. Is it hexanoic acid? If it is a cyclohexanoic acid, there should be a 6 carbon, no? 6 plus 1, 7. Can you say cyclopentanoic acid? Cycloheptanoic acid? Cycloheptanoic acid means this carboxylic group which present within the cyclic ring. That is not possible. So therefore, here alkanoic acid nomenclature is not possible. So wherever alkanoic acid nomenclature is not possible, we have alternate nomenclature, that is carboxylic acid. What carboxylic acid? It is just like alkane carboxylic acid. So it is alkane is a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, important. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Next here. Now it is also same. It is a cyclopentane, right? Cyclopentane carboxylic acid, but numbering 1, it is 2. Therefore, on second carbon methyl group is there 2-methyl cyclopentane, not pentyl, cyclopentane only. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Next, here it is a cyclobutane, but there is a bromine and a methyl. Bromine starts with B, therefore 1, it is 2. So which bromo, which methyl? 1 bromo, 2 methyl cyclobutane. Next, again it is a carboxylic acid. Numbering, here double bond is there, carboxylic group is there. So give the numbering from the side of carboxylic group, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so therefore tell me, it is a cyclohex, not ene. It is a ene. Which ene? Cyclohex 3-ene. Shall I write ene? Yes, cyclohex 3-ene carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Tell me, why we should write ene, right? Because secondary suffix is a carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid, is it start with AEIOUI? No. That's what it should be written ENE. Next, it is aldehyde. So what is the name of the aldehyde? Carbaldehydes. Which carbaldehyde? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Next, so what is the IUPAC name of the acid chloride? When acid chloride is attached to the cyclic ring, carbonyl halide, it means carbonyl chloride. Which carbonyl chloride? Cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. Next, it is a amide. So when amide group is attached to the cyclic ring, it is called carboxamide. Carboxamide. Which carboxamide? Cyclohexane carboxamide. Next, then it is a cyanide. When cyanide group is directly attached to the cyclic ring, it is called carbonitrile. Carbonitrile. This is a carbonitrile. Which carbonitrile? Cyclohexane carbonitrile. Cyclohexane carbonitrile. So take some questions, do it later. Write the IUPAC name of names of the following. Write the IUPAC names of the following. Okay, take this. So write it later. Will you write? So what is the first one? IUPAC name of the first one is? It is a cyclopropyl. This is a bromo. Right. Cyclopropyl start with C, bromo start with B. So bromo 1, 2, 3. So 1 bromo, 3 cyclopropyl, benzene, not cyclohexane, benzene. Right. Next, this is, now which is the parent chain and which is substituent? Parent chain is side chain, because side chain containing functional group. And this is 1 prime, it is 2 prime. Okay, what is the name of this? On first carbon there is the whole substituent will be there. What is the substituent here? 1 prime, 2 prime, 2 prime bromo, cyclopentyl. Right, cyclopentyl. The next is eth ethane 1 ol. Yes or no? Okay, so do it later. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Okay, listen. So what is the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid? It is alkanoic acid, right? The IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkane plus oic acid, alkanoic acid. Okay, right? Example, tell me, it is 1 carbon. What is the IUPAC name? Take down all of you. Methanoic acid. 2 carbon, 3 carbon. It is ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, 4 carbon, butanoic acid. If there are substituent, for example CH3, CH, CH3, COOH, tell me numbering. So carboxylic acid is a principal functional group, therefore 1, 2, 3. On second carbon there is a methyl group is there, therefore it is 2 methyl. Tell me. So 2 methyl propanoic acid. Next, numbering. Carboxylic group should be 1, 2, 3, 4. On second carbon bromo, third carbon methyl. So according to alphabetical order, bromo come first. 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butanoic acid. Okay. Next, if it is CH3, CH, OH, CH2, COOH. So here also OH group is the alcoholic group, but this is carboxylic group. So among carboxylic group, alcoholic group, carboxylic group has highest priority. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, tell me, 3-hydroxy butanoic, 3-hydroxy butanoic acid. Okay, now let's see some dicarboxylic. COOH, COOH. It is a dicarboxylic acid. Its name is oxalic acid. Tell me, meth, eth. It is a ethane 1,2 dioic acid. No, ethane 1,2 dioic acid. If it is a 3-carbon COOH or else CH2 COOH, COOH. How many carbons? It is 1, 2, 3. So it is a dioic acid. Which dioic acid? Meth, eth, prop. Propane 1,3 dioic acid. So propane 1,3 dioic acid. Next, if it is 4-carbon, 5-carbon, 6-carbon, so write the IUPAC names. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbon total? 4 carbon. That is a butane. Butane 1,4 dioic acid. Next it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Do you remember what is the name of this compound? We have studied in polymer. Yes, very good. In nylon 6,6, it is one of the monomer. What is the monomer name? Adipic acid. Very good. It is a adipic acid. No. Next, CH2 COOH, COOH. Tell me, so what is the IUPAC name? There are how many carboxyl group? 3. Can we write tricarb? It is a trioic acid. How do you write? If there are two carboxyl group, it is a 1,6 dioic acid. But will you write it is a 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then what about this? Do you understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5, right? Then it is missing, no? You cannot write dioic acid. 1,5 dioic acid. No. It is a trioic acid. Which trioic acid? So therefore, see here, for it is oic acid. Oic acid nomenclature cannot be used here. So wherever oic acid nomenclature is not possible, we have another nomenclature called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Therefore, now take this is carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid, carboxylic. So which one? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it is a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. So propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Next, if it is CH2 COOH, CH COOH, tell me. It is also same. Take this is a parent chain 1, 2, 3. So which hydroxy? 2 hydroxy propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Next, here also can we use alkanoic acid nomenclature for this? No. If it is alkanoic acid, it should be cycloheptanoic acid, but not. It is not a cyclohexanoic acid, cycloheptanoic acid. Therefore, alkanoic acid is not possible in this case also. Remember, alkanoic acid is not possible in case of this kind of carboxylic acid. It means if carboxylic groups are at least 3 or more than 3. If there are 2 carboxylic group, you can apply. If there are more than 2 carboxylic group, alkanoic acid not possible. And alkanoic acid is not possible if the carboxylic group is directly attached to cyclic ring. Okay. Therefore, now it is cyclohexane, it is carboxylic acid, already written. It is a cyclohexane carboxylic acid. It is a cyclopentane carboxylic acid, but numbering 1, 2, 3, 3-chlorocyclopentane carboxylic acid. Next, here also. So this is a parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a butane 1, 2, 3, 4 tetracarboxylic acid. Okay. Next, if it is CHCOOH, CH2, CH2, tell me, this is another different example. Select the parent chain now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So parent chain has maximum number of carbon atoms are 5. Then is it alkanoic acid is possible? No. Alkanoic acid is not possible if the molecule contain more than 2 carboxylic group. There are 3 carboxylic group. Okay. But here, can you use carboxylic nomenclature? Carboxylic acid. Suppose if you take this as a parent chain, it is a 1, 2, 1, 3, but what about 2? It's again no, 2 is not a carboxylic group. Okay. That's what. Now what I do is, you take this is a parent chain. So 5 carbon atom is parent chain. This is parent chain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on third carbon there is a side chain. Which is a side chain? CH2 COOH. So which is called carboxymethyl. Okay. Therefore, it is a 3-carboxymethyl. because there is no alternate option. You should take it is a substituent only. Carboxymethyl, then it is 1 comma 5. So pentane 1 comma 5 dioic acid. Okay, so these are the different examples for IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Take some homework questions. Write the IUPAC names of the following. Write the IUPAC names of the following carboxylic acids. 1. CH2 double bond CH COOH. 2. CH3 CH double bond CH COOH. 3. Will you write? Tell me. First one is 1, 2, 3. It is a prop which in 1, 2. 2 in oic acid, no? So 2 in oic acid. Second one 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a bute which in 2 in oic acid. Okay, next 1, 2, 3. 3 phenyl. Yes or no? 3 phenyl prop which in no 1, 2 no 2 in oic acid. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 2 methyl, right? 2 methyl pent which in 3 3 ine oic acid. See, oic acid always 1. You need not write 1 oic acid. Right? If somebody write 1 oic acid also, you cannot say wrong. But anyhow, you need not write 1 oic acid. Oic acid is always 1. Okay, like that. Will you do? Right, later. Next. IUPAC nomenclature of ester. IUPAC nomenclature of ester. So, okay. So, what is the IUPAC name of ester? Alkyl alkanoate. Right. It is a alkyl alkanoate is the IUPAC name of ester. So, what are the esters? R, C double bond O, R. Okay. Now, in alkyl alkanoate, alkyl group is always the group which is attached to the oxygen. Right. The alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen is a alkyl. The remaining is alkanoate, like methanoate, ethanoate, propanoate. Therefore, we must write alkyl group first, that is alkyl attached to the oxygen atom, which is a alkyl. Then remaining part is alkanoate. Right. For example, let us take CH3, C double bond O CH3. Tell me. So, what is the IUPAC name of this? It is a alkyl alkanoate. So, which is a here methyl ethanoate. It is a methyl ethanoate. Next. CH3 COO ET. ET means ethyl. Tell me, this is ethyl ethanoate. Next, if it is HC double bond OCH3, HC double bond OCH2CH3. Tell me. It is a methyl. The remaining part is methanoate. Okay. It is a ethyl. It is a methanoate. So therefore, first one methyl methanoate. Next, it is ethyl methanoate. Okay, suppose if this alkanoate has any branching or side chain, for example CH3 CH, it is CH3 COO CH3. Now tell me, it is a alkyl, means methyl. The remaining is, it is alkanoate. Now tell me, IUPAC name is here. First write alkyl, the oxygen the alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen, that is alkyl. Then remaining part you should give the numbering 1, 2, 3. Same rules, general rules. So this is carboxylic group now, carboxylate group 1, 2, 3. Therefore, on second carbon there is a methyl, 2 methyl, then meth prop, propanoate, that is methyl 2 methyl propanoate. Therefore, here now this methyl, the first methyl indicate the methyl group which is attached to the oxygen. Then 2 methyl indicate the methyl group which is present on the alkanoate part. That is the difference. Next. Then again same rules. Write the IUPAC name. By using general rules, it is a ethyl, then numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 according to alphabetical order. Okay. So take one question. Write the IUPAC names of the following ester. Have you written this? It is first is ethyl and 3 bromo 2 chloro butanoate. Right. So write the IUPAC name of following esters. Write the IUPAC names of the following esters. Okay, tell me here ET is a ethyl. It is ethyl 1, 2, 3. Which chloro? 2 chloro meth prop propanoate. So ethyl 2 chloro propanoate. Right. If there is a multiple bonds, same rule. It is a first write methyl, the alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen, alkyl. The remaining part is alkanoate. The numbering should be start from double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me which methyl? 2 methyl. It is a meth prop but which in 2 in O8 is same in O8. Okay, so but 2 in O8. Now here it is a ester group. This is hydroxy, which is a principal functional group. No, hydroxy or a ester. Therefore now hydroxy becomes substituent. So therefore it is a methyl. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hydroxy. 2 hydroxy butanoate. Okay. But when ester group is directly attached to the cyclic ring, what is IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name when ester group is directly attached to cyclic ring? Carboxylate. Okay. Tell me, this is ethyl, this is cyclohexane, carboxylate. So ethyl cyclohexane carboxylate. In the beginning of the class today, we did same, no? Okay. So it is the IUPAC nomenclature of esters. Okay, next, IUPAC nomenclature of amide. IUPAC nomenclature of amide. Okay, we are studying acid and derivatives. No, first is carboxylic acid, you have studied. Next is ester, and then amide, then acid halide, then acid anhydride, then alcohol, then remaining. It means first carboxylic acid and its derivatives. Tell me. Next is amide. So what is the IUPAC name of amide? Alkanamide. No, where carboxamide? When amide group is directly attached to the cyclic ring. Otherwise it is a alkanamide. Okay, so another name is carboxamide. Okay. If there is a one carbon amide, tell me what is this? Alkanamide, no, methanamide. Two carbon amide, ethanamide. Three carbon amide, propanamide. If there is a side chain, write down. Write the IUPAC names. Tell me. It is ethanamide. Next, same written, huh? Okay, I'll change it. CH, I'll make it CH and CS3. Now tell me, this is a ethanamide, but ethanamide there is a methyl group. Where ethyl group? N. We have studied amine nomenclature, no? Same. N methyl ethanamide. Next, it is a 1, 2, 3. On second carbon methyl group, 2 methyl propanamide. Next, again it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Chloro group is present on third carbon, therefore 3 chloro Now it is a actually butanamide, but double bond is there. But which in 1 2 2 in amide. So therefore 3 chloro but 2 enamide. Next, amide group is directly attached to the cyclic ring carboxamide. So this is which cyclic ring? It is cyclohexane carboxamide. Next, cyclic ring has double bond 1 2 3. Okay, tell me, it is a cyclohex which in cyclohex 3 in which amide? ENE in carboxamide. Why ENE? Here secondary suffix is a starts with C. That's what you can write ENE. Next, 1 2 3. Tell me. So what is the IUPAC name? It is a meth prop 2 in amide. Okay. Right. Write the IUPAC name of the following. Write the IUPAC names of the following. 1. Okay. Tell me. It is methyl 1 2 3 4. So what is IUPAC name? N-methyl. 1 2 again 2 methyl meth prop but which in 3 in amide. Okay, so like that, can you write remaining all? Fourth one, yeah. Fourth one, you take, this is a isopropyl. Okay, N-isopropyl. Then you can. If the benzene having amide group, benzamide, benzamide. Okay, ORR, benzamide, common name, even you can write in IUPAC name also. What actually IUPAC name? How do you write IUPAC name? Cyclic ring here, carboxamide, no? Carboxamide. Benzene, carboxamide. Benzene, carboxamide. But this is more commonly used, benzamide. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of acid halide. IUPAC nomenclature of acid halide. What are the acid halide? R C double bond O Cl. Okay, tell me. So what is the IUPAC name of acid halide? Alkanoyl halide. Alkanoyl halide. Right, for example, CH3 C double bond O Cl. Alkanoyl, which alkanoyl here? 2 carbon. How many carbon? 2 carbon, no, therefore ethanoyl chloride, right? Ethanoyl chloride. Right, IUPAC name. Write the IUPAC names. Okay, tell me this. 1, 2, 3. Propanoyl chloride. Alkanoyl halide, right? Propanoyl chloride. Next. So on second carbon there is a methyl, 2-methyl propanoyl chloride. 1, 2, 3, 4. So more than one substituents are there, then write name according to alphabetical order. Bromine come first. 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butanoyl bromide. Okay, next again see, when acid halide is directly attached to the cyclohexane, What is the IUPAC name? Cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. It is a carbonyl chloride, right? Therefore, cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. It means wherever alkanoyl halide is not possible, you can write this nomenclature carbonyl chloride. Tell me here. Now carboxylic group is there, acid halide. So which will get more priority? Obviously carboxylic acid. So therefore, now this become substituent. If it is a substituent, what is the name? Same, carbonyl. No, it is carbonyl chloride. No, carbonyl chloride. And which carbon? Third carbon. So 3 carbonyl chloride, and it is a pentanoic acid. 3 carbonyl chloride pentanoic acid. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of anhydride, acid anhydride. IUPAC nomenclature of acid anhydride. So what are the acid anhydride? R C double bond O, C double bond O, R. So these are the acid anhydrides. What is IUPAC name of acid anhydride? It is alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. Tell me, for example, if there is a 1 carbon, tell me, it is methanoic. Methanoic. You need not write dimethanoic like methanoic. It's understood. Methanoic anhydride in the sense there are two methanoic groups should be there. Methanoic anhydride. Next, if it is a 2 carbon, ethanoic anhydride. If it is a 3 carbon, propanoic anhydride. Suppose if there is the mixture of carbons are there, like here 1 carbon, 2 carbon, H C double bond O, it is a C double bond O CS3. Tell me, it is an anhydride of 2 acids. One is a methanoic and it is ethanoic. Now all this is methanoic, 2 ethanoic, 2 propanoic, no, but there are 2 different carboxylic acids. If there are 2 different carboxylic groups, then general rule, alphabetical order, methanoic, ethanoic, or ethanoic, methanoic. Ethanoic, methanoic anhydride. So ethanoic, methanoic anhydride. If there are two, like 2 ethanoic, you should not write diethanoic. If you write only ethanoic anhydride, it is understood that there are 2 ethanoic. You need not to write diethanoic. But if there are different groups, then ethanoic, methanoic, methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic. For example, if there is a benzene ring C6H5 C double bond O, tell me, it is a benzenoic anhydride. Benzenoic anhydride. Okay, so these are the IUPAC names of the acid and their derivatives. It means carboxylic acid. So today class we have completed IUPAC name nomenclature of carboxylic acid and its all derivatives. So what is the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid? Alkanoic acid. If alkanoic acid is not possible, what is the alternate name? Carboxylic. There alkane carboxylic acid. Alkane carboxylic acid. Only these two. Next, second is esters. What is the IUPAC name of ester? Alkyl alkanoate. If alkyl alkanoate is not possible, alkane, it is a alkyl, no, ester, no, carboxylate. Which carboxylate? Alkane carboxylate. Next, third one is amide. So what is the IUPAC name of amide? Alkanamide. If alkanamide is not possible, carboxamide. Next, acid, acid halide. Acid halide. What is the IUPAC name of acid halide? Alkanoyl halide. If alkanoyl halide is not possible, carbonyl halide. Then acid anhydride. Okay. Next, write aldehydes. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Tell me. So what is the IUPAC name of aldehyde? Aldehyde. Alkanol. Yale. Alkanol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, alkanol. If alkanol is not possible, alkene carbaldehyde. Yes or no? Alkane carbaldehyde. See, all these nomenclature comes in second PUC in individual topic. There I don't teach once again. This is only. Aldehyde topic ಬಂದಾಗ aldehyde topic ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ nomenclature ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ nomenclature ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. This is only. That's what we are taking time to finish all the concepts. Right. So therefore, aldehyde, alkanol, alkane carbaldehyde. Next, ketone. It is alkanone, ethanone, methanone, propanone, butanone, alkanone. Okay. Then, so where alkanone is not possible? Alkanone is possible in all the case. Okay. You can take substituent, that is different. Alkanone, that means ketone can be taken as a substituent, that is called oxo. Okay. Fine. Now let's say first aldehyde. If it is a 1 carbon aldehyde, what is the IUPAC name? Methanol. Right. Next, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 2 carbon. See, aldehyde nomenclature just similar to carboxylic group, carboxylic acid nomenclature. If you understand carboxylic acid, aldehyde is exactly similar. Okay. Tell me, it is 2 carbon aldehyde is ethanol, right? So 3 carbon aldehyde, propanol, 1, 2, 3. So there is a 2 methyl propanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bromo come first. 3 bromo, 2 chloro, butanol. 3 bromo, 2 chloro, butanol. Next, then there is a alcohol group and a aldehyde group. Which is a principal functional group? Aldehyde. Therefore hydroxy group becomes substituent. So therefore it is a 2-hydroxy 2-hydroxypropanol. Next, now that is it alkanol nomenclature is not possible here? Dialdehydes, no, possible, like methane, ethane, ethane diol. Which diol? 1, 2. Just like carboxylic acid, ethane 1, 2 diol. Okay, next 1, 2, 3 propane 1, 3 diol. Next, it is butane 1, 4 diol. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane 1, 5 diol. Tell me this. Now, yeah, alkanol nomenclature is not possible. Therefore, you can write a alkane carbaldehyde, cyclohexane carbaldehyde, cyclohexane carbaldehyde, it is also cyclohexane, but there is a double bond. Cyclohex 3 in carbaldehyde. Okay, next it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you take, it is a methyl group. 2-methyl meth prop but no. So which but 3 in all. So 2-methyl but 3 in all. Okay. So all these are routine example. I'll do last two. And tell me here, there is a carboxylic group and a aldehyde group. So here carboxylic group is a principal functional group 1, 2, 3, right? Yes or no? Now tell me. So this is a now what? Substituent. If aldehyde is a substituent, what is the name? It is called aldo or formyl. The old nomenclature is formyl, new one is aldo, but both can be used. Therefore 2-aldo or 2-formyl, anything can be taken. 2-aldo propanoic acid or 2-formyl can also be written. 2-formyl, because formaldehyde, formyl no one carbon aldehyde. 2-formyl propanoic acid, you write both. 2-aldo propanoic acid, 2-formyl propanoic acid. Next here aldehyde group, this is a keto group. When there is a aldehyde and keto group, which is taken as a principal functional group? Aldehyde. Then this keto group is a what? Substituent. Therefore it is 1, 2, 3, 4. On third carbon can be taken, no, 3, 4, 5 can be taken. Okay. Now it becomes what? Pentane, pentanol, but methyl group is there, oxo group is there. Okay. Then it become oxo and methyl. Which will come first? 3-methyl 4-oxo. 3-methyl 4-oxo pentanol. Okay. So that means when keto group comes as a substituent, you should take oxo. Tell me this one. This one. Okay. Take the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this group can be taken as what? Substituent. Okay. When there is a CH2 double bond, CH2 group is there, what we have taken? Vinyl. CH2 double bond, CH group is there, vinyl called. It is called vinyl. Vinyl, allyl, benzyl, these groups are very, very important. It is a vinyl. Therefore, which vinyl? 2-vinyl. Then other can be. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a isopropyl. Or else you can take it is a 1 prime, 2 prime also be alright. That also okay. 1 prime, 2 prime, side chain, bracket, that way you can write. Or generally we prefer easiest method. That's what you can take easily. Isopropyl can be taken. Okay. So it is the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes.